like this is objectively highly feminine music. And
What? Those?
can you please show?
Everyone knows? It's quality music, brother.
This is it is quality music, brother. Just not for going out to fucking pee off. Let's intro Edward. Edward.
What's up?
First time seeing this individual is my business partner, my very close friend, and behind the
First
kid.
time I'm seeing you.
First time they're seeing you.
First time I'm seeing you. What's this? What is this guy doing on my vlog?
Man's trying to frame control the vlog. Now I'm excited for today, and then we're gonna go. Where do you want to go out tonight? Where do we go?
Your favorite place in the world.
I'm not going to Instant on a Friday. No. My enemies are gonna cancel me. This might get canceled within 10 hours. Hurry, quickly. Opt in before we get canceled.
Before the Matrix pulls down the videos.
Alright, anyway, so the plan is we're gonna go to the steakhouse, meet the boys, have some good, wholesome conversation, talk about business and life, and then we're gonna come back here, vibe out a bit, talk more about business, and then we're gonna head out. Yeah, of course, and then we're gonna head out to one of the good spots around here and meet some girls.
This is so weird.
We're gonna have to get used to it over time. We're going to meet some of the boys for a steakhouse, business shit. Edward.
Tim.
Operations man, business partner. Yeah, he's not just Lillian. He's head of content. That's
Yeah,
what
you're not just a consultant. You're executive consultant.
executive. And what are you? What's the name of your operations
I am
manager?
business development.
Business development.
Stay tuned for episode 1 of the podcast. We're gonna roll with a very, very hot topic right now. Our man Jonah Hill, the abuser, the manipulator, the narcissist,
The misogynist.
misogynist. We're gonna talk everything about it on episode number 1.
One of the things that I really like about Budapest as a city for dating, I think it's really interesting, is that there's constantly foot traffic of new people, and it's surprisingly diverse. Not like in terms of black people, but it's diverse in terms of
Basically Swedish, Danish.
it's diverse.
Dutch,
It's diverse in terms of
Norwegian.
like tourists consistently coming in. There's certain cities that have tourist seasons, like Barcelona, which I fucking love, but here there's like always, especially in the summers and spring, there's always a tourist culture. Like everyone fucking comes here because it's cheap and it's a fucking vibe, you know? I'm not gonna lie, having a camera on you is actually a DHV, bro. Dude, I'm not kidding. Bitches be like, oh, they're filming content. But there's a psychological reason why. Here's a reason why it's a DHV, a demonstration of high value, having a camera on you. So having a camera on you implies to people around you that you're very comfortable expressing yourself with other people looking at you, right? And just being yourself without like fear. So it creates a lot of tension because there is tension when you have a fucking camera on you. It's scary. It's, oh my God, people are gonna look at me. But if you can just own that shit and then someone else is pointing at you and the implied connotation is that you're gonna share it with the world, possibly. He's an influencer, people know him. It gives you value and status.
There's just the assumption that this content goes anywhere online, obviously, and you have a lot of followers, right? So, yeah, status.
So he asked, what am I gonna get to drink? He said, are you gonna get alcohol? I thought my good friends knew me, but I was wrong.
Guess I was wrong as well.
I mean,
You're gonna get alcohol. What do you think I am?
bunk mode out here.
Nah, it's just no alcohol, bro. It's all good. I will get blasted probably all winter.
Winter?
Yeah.
You
At
don't,
home by myself.
you don't like summer.
Wait, who doesn't like summer?
Tim doesn't like summer.
What? Where is it?
Tim doesn't like to have fun.
Bro,
Snails are actually really good though.
so good.
Foie gras.
Foie gras is the
It's
best.
delicious, man.
What's wrong with you guys?
It's actually delicious, bro.
Foie gras, they literally take the goose, fucking pump it until her liver explode, brother.
I didn't say it's ethical. It's delicious.
What is that?
You're basically saying torture tastes amazing.
Man cares about the morality of the fucking.
Please speak.
They emotionally abuse a duck. Okay? They tell the duck it's a piece of shit, and they say it in French as well.
What Tim is trying to say is that the more you abuse the duck, the better it
juicier.
tastes.
The more you can emotionally manipulate the duck, the stronger the
Still talking
frame.
about animals here,
The
just to be
stronger
clear.
the frame is going to be, the power you'll have over the duck. Okay? So if you can lead the duck through a process from open to close,
From farm to table is what it's trying to say, just to clean up the message a little bit.
then the duck explodes the juice. I can't do this, brother. I can't do this. Hungarian noodles are wholesome. They're good people.
Yeah, for sure. I approached one like a few days ago. She was like I asked her for her Instagram, and she was like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I think my boyfriend wouldn't like it."
Are you serious?
You know, like she was like genuinely apologetic. You know,
Bro, a woman in Miami would not do that.
yeah.
Why are you judging me? Come on. Explain your theory.
But you gotta understand, Tim doesn't usually go out, so
And
he just saw a glass, and it is what it is, right?
bro, this is wine glasses, and you put sparkling water in it. Even though you have your fucking right glasses to use right there.
So maybe
I don't know. I don't know why you're judging me. I didn't ask you guys. I talked to you yesterday.
Guys,
That is the difference between
I never
French
and American.
and Americans.
Eduard, I knew you wouldn't.
Even in Eastern Europe, we don't do this shit.
We don't do that, bro. Like, this is common sense.
That was not enough food, by the way. That was objectively not enough food.
You're still hungry.
Yes. I'm just gonna get some shit from like a burger. I may get a burger as well on the way back.
So I have to eat just a little insert nation meat later.
I asked both of them, like, how do you feel if a guy does this and that? And so it was really good because I could get the first-hand opinions of it. They first both said, oh no, I just think he's a gentleman. I think it's probably very nice to hang out with him, da 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 da. Half an hour later, my first sister comes into my room and said, actually, I thought about it. Actually, I'm going to think that he wants to prove something. I feel like he's trying to get something from me. Yeah. And 15 minutes later, the second one, without talking to each other, said exactly the same thing. So that's when I started paying for everything in Germany.
So that's when you stopped paying or started?
I
Wait.
stopped.
Yeah, good luck.
You're spending your money and you're getting a worse result.
I disagree still.
Yeah.
I know they said that, but evolution doesn't lie. And it is an evolutionary...
No, I'm sorry. Dude, I lived there 29 years.
No, I know you have. But there's the logic behind what she says versus what her evolution guides her to expect and do. So, as an example, if a girl tells me you're trying to prove something, when you're fucking, I'm trying to prove something.
Yeah.
I love leading, and I love being honest. And I'm going to challenge her.
The thing is, I've seen it dozens of times for me and for my friends and for other people. And I had it very, like, I read the body language. I see the facial expressions, that kind of stuff. The thing is, in Germany, they are so brainwashed.
Shit. That sentence was amazing. They are so damn brainwashed.
So brainwashed. In a relationship, it's different. But in the beginning, they want to feel like I have as much to say as you, so we are splitting this. And I've tried it so many times.
That's actually very interesting, yeah.
I've tried it so many times that the date went entirely fine, and then I paid, and then
I'm gonna...
lost almost all interest.
Yeah.
Little do they know, and it's actually helping me have success.
Little do they know, listen to this. Little do they know that state is not real.
It isn't real. It doesn't exist. Only absolute geeks eat state, bro.
No, we don't say geeks. we say
Peons.
Geek.
Oh, we just can't do this.
Whoa.
What?
The focus doesn't want to focus.
Was that racist? That sounded like it was about my skin color, buddy.
Yeah, it
all
focuses on me,
about
right?
you.
It focuses on this face.
I don't like this stupid guy.
It's not on this guy, right?
Wait.